Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson cubes and cube roots. Now we will discuss about the topic cube roots. We have understood what are cubes. The multiply the same number 3 times, that is the cube. Now we have to find out the cube root. Now cube root symbol, how it is written? You know the symbol for square root is like this. And the symbol for cube root is like this. Okay. Now 1 cube is 1 and cube root of 1 is 1. 2 cube is 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. Hope you are understanding. Just like the square roots. Now coming to the cube root by prime factorization method. To find out the cube root, we have got only two methods. One is the prime factorization method and second is the estimation method. Now find the cube root of 74088. Example 4. So you write cube root of 74088 is equal to how much? Now find out the prime factorization. Start with 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 remains. 2 7s are 14. 0 as it is. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Now again 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 remains. 2 8s are 16. 1 remains. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains. 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. Now you can't put 2, try with 3. 9 plus 1, 10, 16, 17, 18. Yes, you can try with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 how much are 2? Small. That is why we have to put 0. Now 2 and 6, 26. 3 how much are 26? 3 8s are 24. 2 remains. 2 7s are 21. Sorry, 3 7s are 21. Now again with 3, because 3 plus 7, 10, 18. 3 1s are 3. 0 as it is. 3 2s are 6. 2 remains. 3 9s are 27. Now again 3. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12. So 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 remains. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. You know 343 is the cube of a 7. So directly put 7. 49s are 7. 7s are 7. 1s are. Now you write the cube root of 74088 can be written as cube root of 2 cube into 3 cube into 7 cube. Now this cube root and cube that gets cancelled and you have to write only the numbers, the base. You write multiply 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Understood? So put the cube root symbol and inside you write 2 cube, 3 cube, 7 cube. Next step, remove that cube root symbol and cube, write only the bases and multiply. Now coming to the fifth example, find the cube root of minus 2744. It is a negative number. So first step is cube root of minus, you take it outside and then you put the values. 2744. Find out by prime factorization method. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 1 remains. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are again 2 6s are 12, 1 remains. 2 8s are 16, 1 remains. 2 6s are 12. Again by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. It is 3 4 3, 7, 49s are 7, 7s are 7, 1s are. So you got cube root of negative, within the bracket you write 2 cube into 7 cube. That means you can write now minus, you remove this cube root and cube, minus 2 into 7, that is minus 14. Isn't it? Otherwise, first only you can take this negative sign outside and then you can find out the cube root. Is it clear? Now coming to the example 6. Example 6, the cube root of negative 3375. Okay, first we will write negative, you take it outside, cube root of 3375. You can write in this method also. Okay, so negative method, negative sign you take it out first only. Now it is 3375. It is 10, 15, 18. So 3. 1s are 3, 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 15. Now 5, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 3, 3s are 9, 2 remains. Now 7s are 21, 1 remains, 5s are 15. 10, 15, again 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 15. You know 125 is the cube of 5. So directly you write 5 25s are, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So you got negative cube root of, see cube root, the 3 it should come within this. Okay. It should not be written out. Then it will be 3 square root. So take care while writing the cube root symbol. Now 3 cube into 5 cube. Now negative cube root and cube get cancelled. 3 into 5. So minus 3 5s are 15. Is it okay? Now coming to the example 7, the cube root of the rational numbers. So you know already the cube root of the rational numbers is the cube root of the numerator and the cube root of the denominator. So you write cube root of 8 upon cube root of 125. You know cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of 125 is 5. Answer is 2 by 5. Now example 7, second question. Find the cube root of 729 and 1000. That means cube root of 729 upon cube root of 1000. Isn't it? The cube root of a rational number is equal to the cube root of the numerator upon the cube root of the denominator. See, if it is a small number and if it is tick the correct option, you know the answer, you can put directly, you can write. But if it is a asked for 2 marks question, then you have to show the method. So you have to do it separately, the prime factorization. So 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So start with 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 remains, 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now coming to 1000. 2 5s are 10, 0 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 0 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10. Now you know 125 is of cube of 5. 5 25s are 5, 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So now put the values here. So cube root of numerator is 3 cube into 3 cube upon cube root of 2 cube into 5 cube. See, in the example we are doing this method because if they ask the bigger numbers, then also you can do. So this is the method. So cube root and cube get cancelled. So you have to write 3 3s are in the denominator, 2 5s are, 3 3s are 9, 2 5s are 10. Is it clear? So we have completed the examples of the cube roots by prime factorization method. Hope everyone understood all the sums. Okay then, bye. Thank you.